Discord wanted to verify users' ages. What it really verified was internet outrage. On February 9th, 2026, Discord said its age verification changes would roll out globally in March. They would apply only in certain cases, like changing settings or viewing sensitive content. It later clarified that for more than 90% of users, nothing changes. But come on, that wasn't the part people focused on. What they heard instead was this. Wait, now using Discord could mean a face scan, ID upload, and personal data sent to a third party? Once that idea took hold, the backlash moved fast. Reddit, X, YouTube, the whole internet lit up. Because the real fear wasn't just age verification itself, it was the data behind it. What data gets collected? Who would process it? What happens if it leaks? Like we saw with Discord's recent third-party breach. After weeks of criticism, Discord stepped back. On February 24th, it delayed the broader rollout to the second half of 2026, but what Discord revealed was bigger than one backlash. It was a preview of where the internet is heading. And in fact, Discord is not an isolated case here. Across the internet, age verification is rapidly becoming the new normal. Instagram, Roblox, Blue Sky. Different platforms, same trend. Governments around the world are pushing for it too. Most people are not opposed to protecting minors online. The discomfort begins when ordinary adult users are drawn into increasingly invasive verification processes just to access platforms they have used for years. What was once effortless begins to feel monitored, and that shift matters. That creeping sense of lost control pushes people to look for alternatives. In the UK, Ofcom-linked figures suggested daily VPN usage rose to around 1.5 million after stricter age checks took effect. But here's what most people don't talk about. VPNs have real limits. A VPN cannot protect the data you willingly hand over. Once you hit agree, that data is already gone. And on a bigger scale, a VPN cannot change the rules of the game. You're just playing an endless game of cat and mouse. So no, a VPN is not a magic fix. It cannot solve every problem behind age verification, but that does not make it unimportant. Quite the opposite. In an internet shaped by age checks and constant demands for more personal data, protecting the part of your privacy you still control remains critically important. But not all VPNs are designed with the same level of privacy protection in mind, and that is exactly why choosing one that truly takes privacy seriously matters even more. Most VPN conversations start with speed or price, but the more important question is, how much does using it expose you in the first place? X-VPN lets you get started without creating an account, less friction, and less unnecessary data collection from the start. It protects your traffic through encrypted connections, reducing routine exposure while you browse. And its RAM-only servers are designed to clear data on reboot. Nothing written to physical drives, nothing left behind. The through line is simple, less exposure at every step. So if the goal is reducing unnecessary data collection and getting back a little more control, X-VPN is worth a look. Links in the description, and there's a 7-day free trial through the app stores. See you in the next one.